The Khon Hinyotrep National Awakening Movement, Khnam, today submitted its view to the expert committee to review the state reservation policy. Khnam Working President Thomas Basa on his view suggested a combined 80% job reservation for the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo communities based on merit. Further, the party suggested that the reservation for the Khasi Jaintia people should be increased to 50% in view of the population ratio. The party further suggested that 80% reservation in private jobs for the indigenous people.
There's always a first time for anything. Why we are seeing that? You see, there is the government, how much job can it give to the youth? And we have a very high rate of unemployment. And they are very capable youth. So we request that if this reservation policy is extended to the private sector, I don't think there's a loss for private sector. Maybe they'll have good capable youth in their companies, in their private sector to help them increase in the business also. Submission of the proposed amendment. The next is for the expert committee to sit and work on this. So we'll keep a watch on this and we'll keep track.